Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Honda HR-V here on a 2016 plate. So this is basically 2016, 2017. That's the pressure warning light. That's the pressure warning light. I'm just going to show you how to reset it. Now this is what it is and what it looks like. If you've got something like this with a keyless entry, basically you don't need a key to start her up, and you want to reset the pressure warning light. First you need to do is check the tire pressures and everything, and I think usually on this one is going to be on the right side door, just right there. So these are the tire pressures. Just check size and pressure and everything. Now to do it, it is simple. So these are the buttons you got to play around with. So if I press this button first, get to the menu, I then press this. It says deflation already showing, it's telling us we need to reset that. So all I now do is press the select again, and it says initialize, so that's cancelled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down first. So I'm going to then select, get onto initialize, and then press select. As you can see now, it's all completed. The tire pressure warning light is gone on this side and that side as well. All I now do is go down, go down, go down. You can do other things as well while you're at it, but then go onto that menu there, press select, and then I press this again, so you've got your other information displayed. But that's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. This is a Honda HR-V on a 2016 2017 plate. Just a pressure resets procedure on this. If there is other information you need on Hondas, there is a playlist, so do check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.